Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are talking about milk alternatives which are non-dairy. So if you are somebody like me who does not want to have milk or does not want to have dairy products but cannot do without milk, then this is a video for you where we'll be talking about some DIY non-dairy milk that you can create at your home, or some of the products that are ready to make and you can buy from Amazon. So without any further ado, let's get started. But before we do, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please take a moment to subscribe and hit on the notification button so that you're never missing any video from my end. And now without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, if you are a person who wants to move away from dairy and you are trying to look for alternatives for dairy products, and specifically on the milk section, because of any reason, your personal choice, or because maybe if you have any condition like PCOS wherein it is recommended that you avoid having dairy products because they do cause and can aggravate already hormonal balance that your body is facing. So for me, somebody as you've been watching my channel, you know that I am a person who suffers from PCOS. So that is the reason that after a very long time I had finally decided to kind of start moving away from dairy products and try and include other alternatives which kind of satisfy my palate as well, but then I don't have to have dairy products. So though I'm still consuming some of the dairy products like curd and sometimes ice cream, but I'm still looking for other alternatives and I am kind of trying other alternatives, but for those I haven't yet made up my mind. But definitely as a milk alternative, today we are going to talk about very easy ways how you can incorporate some of these into your daily lifestyle and move away from dairy if that is your choice. So the first option is almond milk. So almond milk is a plant-based or a nut-based milk that you can say. So almonds are very easily found in your home and you can definitely get them from any of the grocery stores. So what you have to just do is soak them overnight and just grind them with some of the water and add some more water to whatever consistency you like, and then you can top it off with any kind of if you do take sugar, then with sugar or with stevia or with whatever kind of, or with no sugar or whatsoever. And if you want, you can add coffee or any kind of other things to it to make it more tasty. But to be honest with you, almond milk in itself is so tasty that you can definitely just, you will never miss your normal cow milk. But some of the things that you have to keep in mind are definitely that almond milk is very less in cholesterol, so it's really good that it does not have lactose. So people who are lactose intolerant can definitely go for almond milk, and has vitamin E, which is very good lubricant for your body. It keeps you young and glowing and all of those good things. Two important things that you need to keep in mind are definitely that it does not have sufficient of vitamin D and does not have protein. So that is something that if you were dependent on milk only as fulfilling these two nutrients, you will have to add other nutritional foods into your diet so that you do not miss on to these two things. The next option is oat milk. Oat milk also is very healthy, very good alternative to your dairy or cow milk. It's also very easy to make. So let me first quickly talk about that. So all you need to do is take oats, just on a pan, stir them for a few seconds till then they get a little bit brown, and then you can store them in a airtight container for about 15 days easily. And then all you have to do is take some oats, mix water into that, and grind them, and it will create a pasty kind of a paste. And then you can add water to your liking of thickness. And what I like to do is I do like to add bananas or dates into this kind of this shake, so it becomes very very healthy and very very satiating, so it keeps you full for a very long time. Now the benefits of oat milk is that first, they keep you full because it's fully packed with fiber and proteins, so it will keep you full for a long time. So if you are on a weight loss journey, then definitely something that will help you. Almond milk will also help you because it has very less fat there as well, but then oat milk, since it has proteins, it will keep you full for a longer period of time so that you don't feel hungry. So that is definitely one positive thing. The second thing is it has good amount of iron, so it definitely will give you good amount of iron content as well, which is about 10% on your daily diets. The third thing is it keeps your cholesterol in check, again because it has huge amount of fiber. It has beta glucose, which is a soluble fiber, and it has a cholesterol lowering property which is maintained even if you create oat milk out of oats. Both for almond milk and oats milk, they are available in the market, but for me personally, I think it is better to create them at home, because whenever you get something from the market, like in the Tetra packs, obviously they add a lot of preservatives which may not be very very healthy for you to consume every day. So I would say that, as I mentioned on how these can be made very easily at home, definitely create it at your home. It will not take more than a minute for you, and that is the time that you can definitely invest for yourself every day. Now the third option is coconut milk. So normally how you will prepare coconut milk is you have to grate the coconut, not the dry coconut, the coconut from which you drink coconut water, right? From that coconut you have to grate that coconut and then juice out the milk from that. That's how you have to actually create coconut milk. Now this kind of milk can be a little difficult to create at home, but then coconut milk also has great benefits and great properties. Coconut has been used immensely throughout different cuisines and different countries for its beautiful benefits and also a very good taste. Coconut milk, I mean, it tastes amazing. So I think almond milk and then coconut milk. Oat milk is kind of not very tasty out of these three, but definitely coconut milk and almond milk is definitely that I do prefer a lot. I'll just quickly go through some of the details. So basically it's a good source of almost all vitamins, minerals. It has fat, protein, carbs, fiber, vitamin C, folate, iron, magnesium, potassium, copper, manganese and selenium. So again, it's a great alternative for a dairy cow milk, so you can definitely go for this. But as I said, normally coconut milk is very difficult to make at home, and I was looking for some alternatives where I can make it quickly. So I came across this product which is available on Amazon. This is called as the Essence Nutrition Dairy and Gluten Free Coconut Milk powder. So this is actually a powder. This is 100% vegan and undenatured. This is gluten free, no additives, pure and raw. This is a 250 grams product. It is gluten free, vegan, non-GMO, as I mentioned, and this is so good, you guys. I mean, it's become so easy to create coconut milk. All you have to do is take 2 spoons of this powder and milk and just add it in your water and just stir it. That's it, you are done. It is so freaking tasty. Gets dissolved into water so easily. It's so easy to create. I mean, बच्चा भी create कर सकता है. Just you have to take 2 spoons, mix it in water, and then you can add whatever sweet you want to add it, like stevia or jaggery or sugar, whatever you like, basis on your preference and dietary needs. And then even to top it off, you can add coffee, any other flavor, whatever you want. But in itself, coconut milk is so tasty, it's so yummy. I think after if you are looking for these alternatives, you will not regret leaving cow milk. But these are really really great. Now this one is for rupees 599 and this is for 250 grams. So as I said, you can probably, what you can do is alternate between the three across your week. So then in that case you will have coconut milk about twice in a week. So definitely this entire packet lasts you for a month or even more than a month. So this becomes a very affordable alternative. It's not too costly from that perspective. This is 599 rupees. I don't think इसपे कोई discount मिलता है Amazon पे, but if you get it, it's great. But otherwise as well, I think it's really good and you can definitely check it out if you're looking for a coconut milk option but you don't want to create it at home because it is a hassle. I can definitely understand. I was shying away from it and that's why I wanted to look for something and I got it. I'm so thankful. I will be linking the product in the description as I mentioned, and I will be linking up some of the articles on almond milk, oats milk, coconut milk, and then definitely you can decide if you want to try all of them or if you want to stick to one alternative basis on your diet requirements, your health requirements and all of that. For me personally, I take all these three. Specifically, I keep on alternating every day. I've been really loving it. I do not feel a need of having cow milk whatsoever, and I've been feeling really good about it. I think I have at least left milk for about last 2.5 months, and I am feeling good about it. I do think that it is kind of helping me to keep my irritation on the skin on check and some of the other issues from my PCOD perspective. Obviously these things do take time to get resolved. It's not a magical thing that you will get into this and suddenly you will see the difference, but definitely your body starts reacting, and definitely in about 6 months you will get good amount of result and impact on your body. So I hope you like the video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel, hit on the notification button so that you never miss any video from my end, and we will meet very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.